Got the picture, stinky boy. Macy! Hi, what are you doing with your hands? Dancing? Kind of fuzzy.
You gotta really like, well, winter time is spent with light down there anyway. Yeah, that's still.
She already did this one.
She's trying to get on there?
She stood up on it.
Oh, she did?
Yeah. The device is sitting on there, too.
Good job, Macy. Good job. You got yourself a good little bench.
Are you getting pictures?
I'm doing a video of it right now. Nice job, Macy, baby. You like that bench? Is that a good bench?
Macy's.
Oh, excuse me.
Will you move that back?
You're a cute girl.